Okay, this here's Grammy's fireworks show.
I gotta stand.
Starting right now.
Just don't go farther than the porch. You can like stand over there, but
Can I stand right here?
stand there and don't go any further.
Come back, Jack.
You want me to do it? Good Joe. There it goes.
Whoa. TNT's cool.
Gosh. Ew, there's a lot of smoke.
Yeah, the smoke always comes.
Ew, it smells disgusting. Ew. Ew.
Why don't you come back here for a little bit so that you don't get the smoke.
Oh.
I'm strange and I think it smells good.
Okay,
You're
next
weird.
one.
Okay, that was TNT. This is Money Team.
Oh, Money Team. I
Money
want to
Team.
see what Money Team
Wait,
does.
money's gonna come out of it. Yay! Then we're gonna get $1,000.
Maybe.
Maybe let's
Hope
check.
it does.
Let's
Let's
check.
hope it does. It might. It's gotta be like a green
Let's
one.
vote which is the best one.
No money.
That's kinda
Where's the
cool.
money at?
Where's the money?
Give me
Hey,
this.
where's the money?
Where's the money? There's supposed to be money. There's supposed to be a bunch of money, right, Mama? Right, Mommy?
Jack, move out of the way.
Hi.
Move. Thank you.
This is called Sunshine.
Sunshine? Mama, sunshine. You might vote for this
on.
one.
Maybe. I like
Come on, be
sun.
quiet.
Watch it. It's going off. Watch. That's kind of like how the TNT started.
I just said
Yeah,
that.
they're all the same. They're always there.
Oh, that was a dud.
That was a dud. I think TNT was a little bit better.
This one.
I'm gonna try. Did we ever do one of those yet?
No, I don't.
Let's try this one. We didn't do this one yet. This is called Blue Fury, so it might be blue.
Oh, Blue Fury. Oh, I want to see that.
I'm
Looking
gonna
to
go
see
over
Blue Fury.
here for. I'm gonna sit up here. Ooh. Okay, ready.
Wait. Okay.
Give me the broom.
I don't know why.
Come on. Move out of the way.
Why do you got a broom?
Is that?
That's a dud.
Wait a minute. Why do you have a broom?
Huh?
Why do you have a broom?
To knock it off so in case it has a little squirt, I don't like touch it and throw it off. Well, that was a real
Dud.
dud.
Let's try June bugs.
Flashing.
Try to light the box on fire and see if it's
Flashing fountain. Let's try that one. Let's hope that one isn't a
Not
dud.
these things. Gosh.
What
These
thing?
little things. Little Moses. Okay, let's do this. Yeah, that was good.
I thought that one was big, and I thought it was gonna do big stuff.
Maybe. Well, I thought you were going to try to light the box on fire. That's what I would have done.
Why? So it would be
Well,
better.
sometimes the fuse just kind of messes up. It could have just been the fuse and not the stuff in it.
Oh, move out of the way.
What's this one gonna do? Ooh, nothing. Oh boy. Oh, just
Like it's just on fire.
That's cool though.
It's lighting up red.
That's the cool one.
Oh, that was a dud. Another dud.
You at least.
Kind of duddish. What are they? What's this?
Yep, let's check. What's that one called?
Flashing fountain.
Flashing fountain.
Oh, that's the same
Hey,
stuff.
Cam, can you move out of the way?
He will. He's trying to look at this.
Yeah, but have you tried Red Hot? Yeah, have you tried Red Hot?
Red Hot's gonna be the last.
Is this it?
Well, I want you to try Red Hot.
I think she's doing Red Hot. That's Red Hot.
That looks like the same sunshine. And the other one.
Okay. June bugs.
Jimbo?
Did you try June bugs?
Bugs.
Jimbo.
I want you to try June bugs.
Oh, scary. Here's June bugs.
I scared Granny.
With that little squeaky scream.
Come on. Come on. Ew.
I'm not trying to tickle you. I'm just trying to grab your legs so I can
Try that mask on.
They're all pretty much the same.
That one's a lot better.
Dud.
Well, these are, Walmart special pack.
Oh, a
Not gonna
Walmart
be,
special pack.
I didn't spend too much on that.
No, it don't seem like Walmart special pack. Come on, what one are you gonna try next? What did you try?
$9.99. That's not.
Oh, that wasn't bad. I was gonna say, hope you just spent like $40 or something.
No.
But have you tried?
Okay, I'll tell you when I come back, you guys can pick. Okay.
One ever.
And this is called
DMT was the first one and it was
Jitterbug.
better.
This one's called Jitterbug.
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 Jitterbug. Jitterbug.
Jitterbug.
Jitterbug. Jitterbug.
Jitterbug.
Jitterbug.
Jitter. Bug.
Jitterbug.
Jitterbug.
What if I stuck it under your butt?
That would be
You'd
bad.
be flying up in the sky, huh?
Guys,
You'd be like,
that would also probably hurt.
what if I stuck that in your pocket and let it?
Okay,
Yeah,
what's
it's a little-
next?
that was a good firework.
Cam, what do you want next?
I think diamond cutter.
Where's Diamond Cutter?
Diamond cutter. Yeah.
Okay, that's Jessie. Jaxie, what do you want next? Crystal Fountain?
We'll take a look.
Crystal Fountain.
A wrench.
I
A
want to
wrench.
see them.
Okay, you go figure it out. I'm gonna light this one.
Come on, use a wrench. Use a wrench to repair fireworks. It works perfectly. I tried it and it works perfectly. Come on, have you used a wrench yet? Have you seen the wrench on TV yet? You're about to see it right now. Here, look.
Okay, put them down on the potty. Put them down there, then
Is
I'll
that Mr. Wrench?
These are what?
What are you doing? Just leave it alone, Cameron. Just leave crap alone.
Oh.
Leave it alone.
Okay, Cam, here we go. This is Diamond Cutter.
It's okay, here we go.
Probably very similar to,
I'm cold.
Where's your pants? I was like, what is that? I'm trying to keep you warm.
Come down.
That was kind of cool.
well, that was cool, some neat stuff.
Diamond cutters called. Diamond cutter should be called emerald cutter.
I think what was that? Diamond Cutter and Peach, whatever was the best ones. Okay, Jaxie, we're gonna do yours. This is called what? Crystal Fountain.
I picked the,
Crystal fountain.
I picked the last two.
Oh, smoke.
Stop, you're gonna hurt me. Jitterbug. I'm not trying to get your belly button.
I'm like a seatbelt. Mm-hmm. Gonna go off in 3, 2, 1.
That's some stinky stuff, whatever that was. I don't know if that's from the firework or that's something else.
Something stinky, really bad.
I don't know what that is. That might be the firework. You smell that? It's gassy.
Gas. Ew. It's probably yucky smell of
Is
gas.
this thing on?
It shouldn't be.
Oh, it was.
Is that the last one?
Oh,
Ooh.
you don't smoke right.
Why does this thing keep turning on?
I don't know, somebody's bumping it.
Yuck. I think I want to vomit. It makes me want to gag.
You shouldn't like the firework.
Ew, that like that nasty smell of gas.
I'm worried.
Here, why don't you get off the porch?
What?
Go stay with your mommy and brother. Come over here.
Why?
Because there's a bunch of gas leaking out of that thing. Propane or whatever.
Ew. I better get out of here quick.
Stand by Grammy's car. I'm going to try to go.
Bunch of gas leaking out here. Come on, let's. I gotta get a close look.
You can get a little closer, Sam. It's not going to go.
That's like the same as the other colorful one.
You think?
Yeah.
Maybe.
Now this is.
I guess it's a dud. This is currently like 9:28. An airplane.
I still got a plane.
What you trying to do? Starting to get dark out.
Cameron, get away from it.
Oh, that's scary. I better get on the porch quick.
You see that, Cam? Wow, that's even makes ours look like
Loud.
It's like,
wow, that was good ones. Think you're gonna do it
You're
again?
going to do it again. Cover your ears.
You ready, Cam?
Let me get my headphones on. What is that?
Here we go.
Oh, that's a big one. That's a big one.
Look at that little cloud of smoke moving. See it?
There's some smoke.
It's cool. Cam's all ready. Can't hear nothing. Looks like a heart.
Well, that's a big one.
You get double fire.
Sorry, the camera's kind of
Oh,
blurry.
this is awesome. This is like the kind you get uptown.
There's smoke in the sky.
I said it. I was reading up because your dad is always
What? Hey, come on, are you earshot?
looking up like that's the
Are you
hardest
earshot?
thing to pay, but they were saying like stuff that the professionals do.
I guess you can. Oh, like, let's see if there's another firework.
Never leave over here. Oh.
I gotta look out for fireworks. Okay, motorcycles going by. Ooh. Ooh. At least I have my headphones on. Blast sounds like bottle rockets. Fireworks show. Fireworks.
Here, you get good footage? I would not hold that right over the water bucket. Cam. Not over the water bucket, Cam. Cam.
What?
Don't hold it over here, because if you drop it, it's done. Come over here. Like, don't hold that over the water bucket.
Okay, right there is good.
Yeah.
Cam, you get good stuff?
Bobby, you gonna hold your ear?
Fireworks going off in the sky.
There will.
See if they launch another one. Whoa! That's loud. Just random people setting off fireworks. Oh, here we go. And like these another these random pop-up fireworks. Here, random pop-up fireworks.
I don't know if anybody can ever do that.
I'll hold that for you if somebody do it.
But mine, was there any fireworks going off at 3 in the morning?
Being stupid
Like
about
he
it.
was just
We were sitting there awake.
awake.
Wide awake. Oh, that's loud.
He knows what happened.
That is loud. At least I have my headphones on.
It's like you said, wide awake.
Downstairs.
Nothing happened. There wasn't even a fire truck going
You're
by.
going, get over.
Or was there a fire truck going by?
Oh, what? Okay, look for
There's crayfish everywhere. And then I do like the crease behind Grammy's house.
He's like, oh, here goes his hand.
That is loud.
Once he woke up, was the mountain.
That is ear-piercingly loud. Even people watching from over there.
There's no
Yeah, I've done that.
that.
I like go.
Yeah.
That's the best feeling in a world when you wake up and go,
I know, you think it's real, like you think it's happening. I've been having some real bad ones.
you're not taking anything?
And I take melatonin. That's usually the nights I have the bad days.
Melatonin, that's why I don't take it.
react after
That's why I don't take anything that says to me that it's going to be possible nightmares. I will not take it. I don't care if it's going to save my life. I don't
I
know.
don't know what you're
I always cancel headphones on so from the noise.
I've read it, but it's always like
Because of how loud the noise is. It's super duper loud.
Yeah, that's.
I wake up thinking like,
Oh, Mama.
Oh, I've had a couple times the big one.
See if they set off another. See if like they set off another
I
firework.
remember waking up one time, I thought he was
I woke up, I was like,
It's okay, let's see if they set off another firework.
why don't you go get a little closer over by the garden, you'll get some really good views, okay?
What?
You can go get a little closer to the garden so you get some better views.
Too close. I don't know how far that's going.
He'll get closer and closer and closer.
But anyway.
What are they doing over there? You know, a little fireworks show? Hello, are you enjoying the fireworks? I don't know if there's any going off. You should probably cover your ears because it's so loud. There's actually people. Really? Because they're not actually people. Looks. Hey, it looks like that from the distance. Hey, because that's what I see from the distance.
That was a really bad, but it was so vivid.
Oh, firework! That's loud. That's like loud. That's loud. Hey, but Grammy, do you think that? Do you think they look like people over there?
Yeah, I thought that was people actually standing up for a minute.
Oh my gosh, yeah.
What is that? Flowers?
It kind of looks like people from the distance.
Yeah, here we go.
Oh wow!
You missed that. Did you see it?
See that?
The big ones come up and then it, like 20 little ones popped out of it.
A big one, like 20 little ones.
That was a good
Guess the fireworks gave birth to 20 little fireworklings.
one.
I'm big gun.
Oh, that's loud. That's like loud.
That's what I'm saying. How much?
It's gonna be like it's coming from Warren, PA. Sorry, the camera's kind of blurry. Hey, Mommy, are your ears shot from those fireworks?
Cameron, who would ever expected to see actual real fireworks tonight,
You
huh?
got a good show, huh?
This was like bonus.
Yeah, but we're celebrating America's birthday, correct?
Yes.
This is like
244 years.
We got a pretty good, I got a pretty good show going. Oh, bug, get out of here now.
Back up.
Let's get a little bug. Wow. Hey, Mommy, are your ears shot?
They're not as bad as they were last night. I think I'm back.
Because I remember last night they were dead.
Loud noises bother me, but this noise doesn't bother me. I think I had my eardrums blown out last night, but when I went crazy when it was cold and it was loud.
Sorry, it was kind of blurry.
I'll probably go like 2 days and all the beautiful rain. But this, I think it's concentrated. Yeah. It's a Bubba. You okay, Bubba? It's a Bubba on a farm.
Whoa, that was wow. And little for today, like happy birthday, America. But how old is our country turning?
244 years old.
244.
Older than that, Cam.
Happy 244th birthday, America. We've really come so far over the past 244 years.
I'm thinking like, I remember what was 1976, they made a big deal about it. You know?
That one scared me.
It's like the 4th of July. Like the 4th.
Oh, gee, don't. No, it's just... Here we go.
Oh, that was loud.
That was a good one.
What, we said like noise canceling headphones
Oh, I
on.
see like a light on. Maybe you sit in the car, look out the window, it'd be better.
It's well, I'm gonna stay out here and watch the fireworks
Oh, you're up there.
as they go off like one by one. Hey, happy 244th birthday, America! Okay, let's sing the birthday song to America.
Happy birthday.
Happy 244th birthday to you, America! Happy 244th birthday to you! Happy birthday to you, dear America! Happy birthday! Happy 244th birthday to you! Do you really help how our country is going?
I wonder if there's any more.
And I was also thinking about how like a special 4th of July themed movie night.
Went crazy last night, so maybe they using it.
See if another firework goes off. Are we done?
They might be done, Grammy.
The time was 9:42. 9:43.
Yeah, they probably all done. Of course, there might be a couple more. Who knows?
Well, I got a good view.
We got a perfect view. You couldn't have a better view.
Happy 244th birthday, America!
Like the view, right?
Yeah. See you again for the 245th birthday coming next year.
In the back, it's really dark.
Born in like 1776.
I was looking at it.